In this video, I'll show you how you can sort everything in alphabetical order on your Google Docs. Now, first step is you want to open up your Docs, and from in here you want to press on Extensions, click on Add-ons, and Get Add-ons. Now from in here you want to add the add-on that I have added right here. It's called Sorted Paragraphs. So let's search for that. Sorted Paragraphs. This right here. You want to click on it and press Install. Now once this is done, what you want to do is reload your page real quick, select the things you want to do in alphabetical order, and then press Extensions, hover Sorted Paragraphs, and choose if you want it A to C or C to A. So if I select A to C now, it will sort it just like that. And as you can see, it's now sorted in alphabetical order. Now that's about it, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.